Hi, today I'm going to do very fresh, airy and glowing makeup look using some new purchases from Sephora and using some products which I already have in my collection. This look will be a great look for summer. It is very light and it is very easy to achieve. And this type of makeup will definitely place you in the center of attention. So I have nothing on my skin and I want to start with Peachy the Impossible Glow Bronzing Drops. I want to obtain very light makeup, but still I want to have the glow from within. That's why I will work with my fingertips. I'm applying these illuminating drops on the outer parts of my face. A little bit more. The main focus is on the cheek area, on the forehead. And the thing I would also like to do is to distribute a little bit of remaining of the product on my neck. Some new items from Sephora. Today I've purchased Herborian BB cream. This is not the new product on the market. I really love this product. I bought it in the shade Door. This is the full-size tube. I already have this product in light shade, but during the summer I definitely need a little bit darker color. I'm warming up the product between my fingers and I start to apply the product on the center of my face. I don't want to use any brushes or tools for this makeup application. I want to have very thin and really airy glowy skin. I want to make as thin a layer of foundation as possible. I want my skin to look like skin. Talking about BB and CC creams, I can say that the best technique to apply them is to apply with your fingertips, because you warm up the product and you can distribute the product evenly. Of course, if you want higher coverage, you can add the second layer. I will continue my skin prep with Herborian. This is their concealer. It is in shade Nude. This is BB Crayon. Also very lightweight formula. It's very easy to use this product. I just place a little bit of product in the center of my face, in some dark spots where I need some additional cover, and that's it. Maybe a little bit around my lips. I will also use the finger to blend the product. I want to keep it simple. I want this makeup to be very easy to repeat. Voila! I think that the foundation is ready. Today I want to stick to peach color palette in my makeup. For this purpose I will use two products. These are Kriegina Cosmetics cream pigments. The title is Concrete. One product is in shade Salmon, another product is in shade Peach. If you don't have cream pigments, don't bother. Take any product which you have in your makeup collection. These are very nice products, but you should not buy everything. These products from Kriegina Cosmetics, they are very pigmented. I use just one drop and you can see how opaque and pigmented the color is. This is the color Peach. And this is the color Salmon. Salmon has white base to it, and Peach is a nice pinky peach color. What I will do in my makeup, I'm going to mix these two shades and use these colors for very beautiful and monochromatic look. I will apply these products with the brush. They're very pigmented. Once again, if you don't have this product, don't worry, just use the peach blush or peach cream lipstick which you already have in your kit. Most makeup is multi-use, so if you have, for example, liquid peach lipstick, you can use it as a lipstick, as a blush, sometimes even as an eyeshadow. Try to invest a little bit less in makeup and use maximum of the products which you already have in your kit. I'm loading the brush once again from the back of my hand And now I start to add the second layer. I also add some color on my eyelids. It adds a little bit of color harmony, makes me look fresh. A little bit on the chin. With these cream products, you can obtain very bright makeup without building up a thick layer of the product. And it looks very natural and very beautifying. Now I would like to place the same product on my lips. I'm loading the brush. You can also do it with your fingertip. And I start to place this color on my lips, and I blend the color slightly with my fingers. Okay, this is very easy monochromatic look. We can stop at this point, just add a little bit of powder on the T-zone, and actually you are ready for the day. However, as usually, I will show you how to spice up the look a little bit more. We're in the middle of the summer, and the hero product of the summer is the cream bronzer. I will use Milk makeup. I don't want to add it directly on my face because I don't want to touch the layers. All these products are long-lasting. Illuminating drops are long-lasting. BB cream is a very, I would say, stable formula. As soon as it dries, it's not moving. And these cream pigments, they are also very, very long-lasting formula. But if I will take the product with my brush from the back of my hand, it will be much easier to control the shade. I want to have the control over the application. So that's why I will do the same which I've done with the blush. I will load the brush from the back of my hand and transfer the color on my face. This is a mistake-proof technique because you can control the application, you can see how the process is going on, and it allows you to work in thin layers. And in most cases, you will not have any problems with blending. You already know it, but I would like to remind you that in summer, if you want to increase the longevity of your makeup, work with thin layers. They will stay in place much longer compared to thick application. So now the bronzer is on. I really like the shine on the outer parts of my face. Actually, it was my goal, but I would like to eliminate the shine in the center of my face, and for this purpose I will take a little bit of translucent powder. It is the powder from the same brand, Krigina Cosmetics. It is a mattifying powder with a blurring effect. I like the product, but I'm the owner of the dry skin, and I can say that I do not feel very comfortable when I apply this powder on the whole face. It feels a little bit drying, but I think it's my personal issue. If you don't have this powder, once again, do not bother. Use any powder which you usually apply. These peach colors, they're so nice, they're so flattering, so beautifying. And now let's unbox the second product which I've bought in Sephora. This is the famous Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze. This is brow styling wax. I have not used this product, so today it will be the first impression. This is how this wax looks like. It's just a clear gel. Looks very nice. I've loaded the wand with very small amount of the product. And I start to apply the product on my brow. Now it's the right amount. Let's press the hair to the skin and comb them one more time. This is really, it has very strong fixing power, for sure. I need to get used to this product. It's new for me. These are my first impressions. I have a lot of gaps in my brows, and for sure I will draw some additional hair afterwards. First I distribute the product, try to make the shape, then I push the brows into my skin. Interesting. I really like the effect. Of course, I have a lot of problems with my natural brow shape, but now I will start to fill in the hair with the pencil. And I will use Fenty Beauty brow pencil for this task. I start to add the pencil to the areas where I have some gaps. Now my brows are done, and I really like the combo of these two products. And I would like to finish off the look with Natasha Denona Cream Highlighter. I will use her palette which is called Bloom Blush and Glow Palette. This palette is also in this beautiful peach color family. There are 2 cream products and there are 2 powder products. I would like to use this multi-chrome highlighter, and I would like to add it on high points of my cheeks and maybe a little bit on my eyelids. I will take the same brush and I start to work the product on the high points of my cheeks. You can see how bright this product is. The highlight is very strong. And the second side, and I will place some product on my eyelids with the finger. So this is the finished look. It was done in several easy steps. Easy base application, easy color application, both on cheeks, lips and eyes in the same color family, very monochromatic. You can also add mascara if you want brighter eyes. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thumbs up and subscribe. There are more videos on this channel. Please stay tuned. Bye.